YouTube? I'm back with another POV drive. Man, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I really just have not been feeling that motivated to upload a video. Mainly due to the fact that I got this new steering wheel coming, and I just kind of really have not been liking taking videos with this steering wheel. But hopefully this is the last video that y'all see with this steering wheel. It's really close to getting here. It's already on the way. I'm just waiting on it to get here and stuff. But yeah, hopefully this will be the last video and it'll arrive before my next video. I'm gonna film a POV drive as soon as it gets here, because I'm honestly so excited for a new steering wheel, and especially the good one that I'm getting. It's really nice. I like it. So but I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to get some content right here for y'all while I'm on the way home right now from work. So yeah, hopefully y'all can enjoy this. I'll try to be careful what I do and where I go, because I've got pulled over twice this week already, and this is crazy. Like, the cops are out here crazy on car people and anybody in general, I guess. So this is crazy, but I'll get a little bit of video, like good footage and everything for y'all. I turned up the burble settings a little bit. It does like 4 to 5 pops, like burbles now, instead of like a lot, like crazy amount. But yeah, finally got like some clearer distance. I like how the pops sound like this better than like a crazy amount. I mean, even though it still kind of may feel to people like it's a crazy amount, but it's really just like 5 pops. And then if you keep tapping the gas, then again, of course, it'll do like 5 pops again, you know. But that's like about it. I like it like this though. They sound really nice, like the burbles now, to me at least. And so yeah, and like in my opinion, like, you know, that to me is all that really matters, is how I like the burbles and stuff, you know. for the video. Catch y'all on the next one. Hopefully we got the new steering wheel already in. I'm gonna be posting this video soon. Yeah, hopefully the new wheel comes in soon. I'm gonna definitely make a video on it the first day it comes here, because I'm super excited for that. Definitely is a must need right now. But I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.